Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use auction house in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, go to buy and sell, select the option auction house, and here we have a bunch of options. The first is search auctions. If you go to this option, we'll able to search for specific brand we are looking for. Let's say we choose BMW here. You can also choose the specific model you are looking for. I'll just simply put that on any. You can also filter it out by performance, class, car type, max bid, max buyout, but I'll just put that on any and just hit confirm. That way we'll able to see cars according to our filters. Now you can simply scroll until you see the car you like, and also you can see the time remaining for this auction to end for this particular car. You can also see the highest bid, buyout. So for the sake of this video, let's say I would like to purchase this car, and you can see the time remaining for this auction to end. For this particular car, you can see the highest bid, buyout. So I would like to purchase this. I can simply select that, and that we will able to get into the auction of this car. So in order to place bid, we would need 6,000. Now simply select yes. You can see bid is accepted. Now in order to see if we are winning or not, we just need to get back from this, go to my bids option, and here we'll able to see the bid. So someone just outbid us. We can simply get into the auction again. We can simply place bid again, select yes. So we have to do this couple of times in order to win this car. So bid is accepted. Again we can back out and see if we are winning or not. So you have to be here until you win the car, and there you go, we won the car. We can simply get into the auction again, and now we can simply collect the car, and that way you will able to get cars from auction by using the auction house. Similarly, you can also get the credits where you have placed the bid and didn't win. So make sure to collect your credits as well in the my bid section. So that's how you'll able to purchase cars in the auction by using the auction house. Now let's learn how you can auction your own cars. For that you need to get into the option start auction, then select the car which you wanna sell. I'm going to sell this one. So for that we need to select that car, select the option auction car, and here we need to set the starting price which you wanna set. Then you can also select the buyout price. You can also increase or decrease the auction length. Simply hit confirm, select OK, and now what will happen, the car will be listed in the auction. So we have to wait. Now you can see the auction of your own car in my options section. So here you can see, so you have to wait until someone bid or until someone purchase this car. So 59 minutes are left, so we have to wait as I said. So yeah guys, this is how you'll able to use auction house to sell cars or buy cars in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.